Welcome to University of Tsukuba Libraries. This video shows how to find a Japanese article. Please search for your article on Sine Articles, which can search information on academic articles. Comprehensiveness is the most important for searching. There are tips on effectively searching. If you can't get a good search result, please use Boolean search commands. Let's try these searches on Sine Articles. Click the title to see the details. If there are some icons under Access this article, you can read its full text online. Not only DOI, you can the whole article online with these icons. If you have a problem for searching, please try to those means. This is the flow of how to get an article. By the way, if you have any problems, please feel free to ask a librarian.